Managing a fleet can be tough, but with FieldPulse's fleet tracking system, it's never been easier. Whether you have one vehicle or 100, our cost-effective, easy-to-use solution gives you real-time visibility into your drivers and assets. Fleet tracking integrates directly into FieldPulse, making it easy to access your vehicles from the schedule map view. Want more details? Just head to the fleet tracking dashboard from the left side menu to see everything in one place. A safer fleet is a more productive fleet. You can monitor driver behavior in real time, helping prevent risky driving before it becomes a problem. Our driver rewards program encourages safe driving, recognizes our employees for their commitment to that, and in turn leads to fewer accidents. Losing tools and equipment can cost you thousands. With our asset tracking system, you'll always know where your vehicles and valuable gear are, eliminating theft and unauthorized use. Ready to get started? Reach out to our support team or use the chat feature on our website to enable Pulse Fleet Tracking today.